Mbia mono umurikio itomil ready mumanyi ase oroboti ururikiranu togotgana nayo nigo esrekali agendrete koine kiabuna umurubiri wa masomo CBC obeire ko gwikiraniwa ase nchira ebwenderete ase chiskuru au ase korende nonya nabo yarokanire buna makongwa manke ayu abeire gakorokana nabo arachi koirera umurubiri yo gutekerana ase chiskuru chinyinge eskuru yabamura ya St Joseph Nyabigena ngati ye chiskuru ekyo chiarorire amakongwa ari agendrete kana ase ba mwalimu osomokonyi bo mwalimu monene ko rwase skuru eyo atebire buna amakongwa yo nigo arachi kubatanga barabo gwikirania omurobero yo muri kyo Demo Stephen na Manke
aiga na ase skuru ya St Joseph Nyabigena Boys egotoka ensemo ya South Mogirango asa chisemi chigenderete
another days is a correction of it.
No nyachinkwana igoro muroberio CBC chibwatite inse ntwari komanya bune skuru eyero bereti kwarigani aboro kigubekera sikia gatano na kabere grade 7 omwaka ole bosio abarasoe imya junior secondary.
We are not very clear about it. One, the training has not been done adequately. Because it's only a handful teachers that have been trained. It's just a sample from even a few schools, so we are not yet clear on it. The government has said that curriculum or the junior secondary will be domiciled in the secondary section, and in our school we have done the first phase of the CBC classroom.
Again take again kego chaka nkelikore merwe mechanda asomo chakano. Gati yabo no koburo kwe birasi visa ine bya grade 7 okole merwe bitabu biganeiri okole merwe bumanyi boisa ina asaba orokia igoro ya grade 7 gati yemechandende.
So in terms of preparedness, the ministry has put up 2 classes. Preparedness of the teachers now is still the big question. Majority of the teachers are not aware of what they're supposed to do. We do not have materials, the teaching materials.
Oko vaga techi secondary chinde chiko chiko tuara abaoro kigube myake meke kokongana abamwe abarase birasi bya igoro oko igwana kibirengera lino mu chandonde abaorokia batebirora chiko begetiro.
We are going to receive very young kids, yeah, compared to what we are used to in a secondary school. So we are seeing a situation where if you have like the under 12, under 11 boys and girls coming into the school and mixing with the other boys, I think obviously it's going to be a challenge. Maybe some of us have not been trained on how to handle these young ones, but hopefully if the ministry prepares us and gives us the requisite training, I'm sure we'll be able to handle that.
Eyengati yebinteka matyo gotukomoroberio OCBC mense akenyera bege kurigeria sobo ime koeneki okubwata no kuyankobo gati ya serikali n'ababwatani bechisemi.
So it's important that the government, or rather the ministry, in its training should also sensitize the teachers on how to handle the minors who will be transiting to the junior secondary.
Ko reporter ya Ndizi TV korwa sense mwa Nyabigena Boys South Mogirango Elietaliane Ndemo Stephen.